And hi, once again everyone, I'm Kin. Thank you very much for joining me again today. We are all the way in the east at Pasir Ris. Yes, today we are at block 552 Pasir Ris Street 51 and I'm going to showcase a 5-room flat, spacious and bright, and it comes with 4 bedroom and it has a space of 1,300 square feet. So without further delay, let's head on up. And now entering this beautiful 5-room unit, we have a very beautiful view. Right there we have a partial unblocked view of the balcony / walkway. Very bright, very breezy, ideal for you to put lots of shoe racks, or at the same time, you can do lots of planting. That is not all, because we have more great things installed. Let's head on in to see the rest of the house right now. And so right here at the living and dining space, first you will see that we have a very squarish layout. It's very bright and it has a partial unblocked view, very windy space that we have. What I really love here is that we do not have any built-in furniture. So you can do anything you want. Imagine having a sitting area where you can have more than 10 people gathering and you can have enough space for a huge sofa where we can have lots of hangout and chill out sessions with your loved ones. This is ideal, especially if you are very imaginative in how you want the layout to be. You have a very beautiful big space to play around with. And this is what I really love, because it's connected to a spacious living area. Look, we even have a piano here. And like I mentioned earlier on, this is very windy, it's bright, and I'm sure you will definitely love this. And connecting to the dining area, we have this mini bar top, which leads us straight into the kitchen. Over here at the kitchen, what I really love is the space. This is one thing you will not be able to get in a lot of HDB flats. Look at how squarish it is. I tell you, my favorite activity, to have a mahjong table here, easy access to all your food and drinks, and even to the washroom right here. This is the first bedroom in the unit. Technically speaking, it's the smallest one, but yet I can spaciously put in a queen-size bed with a full wardrobe. And on top of that, you will still have space for more storages, or even having a study table right here. And here we are, this is the second bedroom. At one glance, you might think that this is the master, but don't be mistaken. This is only the second bedroom, and look how spacious it already is. You can easily fit in a king-size bed, you can have your built-in wardrobe, you can design this into anything you want. What I really love is how squarish this room is. And it has 4 panels of window, which makes it bright and windy. And there we have it. This is the master bedroom. As compared to all the other rooms, they all have a similar feature. They are squarish, they are spacious, with 2 wardrobes and a queen-size bed. There is still so much walk space, which means even if you put in a king-size bed, this is more than sufficient. And that's not all. With a 4-panel window, it comes with bright natural light. You can sleep in late without having the glare of the morning sun or the afternoon sun. And there's an ensuite bathroom, which is very spacious. And if your imagination flows, you can do lots of great things with this room. Situated just 10 minutes away from the Pasir Ris MRT station, this unit is surrounded by multiple bus stops. There are a variety of supermarkets and mini-marts which are within walking distance, such as Sheng Siong, Giant, and FairPrice. And also within this short 10 minutes walk, we have the Pasir Ris Park. So if you love to cycle with your young ones, or if you love the sun and the sea, this is an ideal location for you. So this comes also with multiple school options for your children to attend, from YWCA Preschool to Dunman Secondary School and Loyang View Secondary School. Isn't this wonderful? So there we have it. We've just seen the spacious unit with a very quiet and peaceful environment. It's near to all the necessary amenities. What are you waiting for? If you would like to view it right now, below is my number. Drop me a text. I look forward to your call.